This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing, another review. I have one big women purse for you guys, this time original Guess purse for you. Let's see here. Let's take this off. More than $150 this purse costs. Some places could be 200, depends. Original Guess from United States. Let me show you, it's one of the best looking purse in the Guess. If you see this one, write in a big G you see here for Guess. Guest EST established 1981. Quite a 40 years old company. Look at this guys, how beautiful this purse is. Magnificent. The quality, design, finishing, magnificent chain here. Back side you have one pack. One chain as well, zip, and inside you see right G Guess. G of Guess is written something as Louis Vuitton design, and all over the body the design of Guess. You can see here the quality, material, handle. Yeah, you can see magnificent. Okay, here is also written Guess here, lovely. Let me take this off from here. Take all the way off. Wow, beautiful. You have one more lace or belt, whatever you want to call it. You have one more, lovely. If you want to hang this one on your shoulder, it's for that. Lovely. Put inside back. Look at the quality. Guess G is written all the way. Beautiful. Look at the stitching here. Wow, magnificent. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.